What is up, Lit Squad? It's your boy. Okay. I'm with my friend Harley, so yeah. Oh, Frank. Yeah, I'm calling her on Skype. Good thing this is not a live stream because I would be muted and my voice wouldn't be showing up. Okay, we are playing Murder Mystery 2. So, yeah. Like the noise I made? I was just like, Okay, so my birthday is coming up, guys, in less than 3 months. So, I want to reach 200 subs. Thank you for 164. I know we can reach 200. So, yeah. I'm sorry if I'm not talking much. It's because I'm trying to focus on this game. You're saying what?
I'll say nothing because I'm awkward.
No, it's me.
Okay, I'm not afraid now.
So yeah.
Birthday is on April 24th. And you guys are like at 156
164. Okay, I'm done.
subscribers. And get to 200 or more before his birthday.
Right. Y'all heard her. I just want to dance with somebody. Sorry if y'all are hearing my phone. It's pretty loud. But yeah, like she said, I want to reach 200 before my birthday, and so let's just pull up my life count. Ow! Oh, wait, should I pull up my social blade? Yeah. No. I'm just gonna go live counts. Hurry up. This thing is slow. Going my live counts. Dang, y'all hear that? See? Right here. This big number should turn into a big 200.
I can't see it, but I bet it's a big number.
Here, let me show you. If y'all lucky.
That is a big number.
Right. 200 is a bigger number.
Yes.
So I'm at 0.1k, and okay. So if you guys don't know who Mia is, her channel is Ariana MSP, and she has 9,000 subscribers. So guys, get her to okay. So guys, you should get her to 10,000. I don't care if I don't know if she's gonna watch this or not, but y'all should go subscribe to that girl. Like all her videos, comment on all of them. She mostly did an MSP series, so that's probably why she has so much. But yeah, I'm gonna link her channel down below in the description. But yeah, also subscribe to me. Duh. Who wouldn't want to be part of my lit squad?
I know, right? Hey, subscribe to me and my invisible channel.
Oh wait, what? What did you say?
My invisible channel.
Oh, hey! I have 165. Oh yeah. Lit. Who just subscribed? Oh, whatever. Oh, so wait. Oh, wait, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, what's your channel? I'll tell us the...
Oh, mine? I don't know.
Did you forget the user?
I used to update.
I do videos every week. Okay, never mind. But, thank you to the person, thank you Harley, I should say, because she's the one who subscribed. So, wait, I need 40 would be 205. So, less than 40. Or less than 30. So 30 would be 95. I need 35 more subs.
Hey, it's on my channel.
Is it your current one?
What?
Is it your current one or was it your old one? That I feel like you had an older channel.
My current one. If I haven't updated anything, I deleted all my videos because they're all.
Yeah, people delete. Like when people delete most of their videos. Well, I'll tell them to subscribe to you.
Okay, my channel is okay. The full version of. Not like okay. Yeah. X Harley.
Okay.
Okay, X Harley.
I found one that has okay Harley with like a capital L with no S in it.
Oh. Hey, I have 500 subscribers.
Wait, what? 500?
Yes, I don't know how.
How do you have... I found one that has 300. Wait, type it. It has 300. 312. Yeah, let me
How
see.
did I get that? I can't subscribe to myself.
I just found... I typed in okay egg space eggs space Harley and it gave me Hobby Kids TV.
Why? Wait, but it's all together. Yeah, say that. All together, okay, X Harley.
Yeah, but I did that and it gives me okay Harley. Now, hold on, let me see. Sorry if this video gets boring of just looking at people's subscriber count.
How did it pay me? Why?
Wait. Dang, this girl. Whoa. Wait, okay, Instagram. 13 reasons why. Okay. Blue Lagoon. Okay, this is definitely not you. Doesn't it show up on who subscribed to me? New subscriber. I just subscribed to them. Whatever, it's not you. Anyway, whatever. I'll figure it out.
Okay,
Anyway, okay, back to murder mystery.
that's you playing Roblox.
Yeah. Oh, I found the sheriff already.
Hey, I have Roblox.
Oh my gosh, you do?
Yeah,
Why didn't you play with me?
okay.
I gave you my user, didn't I? I gave you my user, didn't I? Basically, Dylan YT. Here, I'll just get this. That. Uh. Ew, that picture is ugly. Okay. So I've been recording for 10 minutes, but it doesn't feel like 10 minutes. Ew, no. I want some ice cream. Yeah, I have ice cream. It's not for you. Yeah, because I had no money. Well, I had a caramel macchiato from there, so. I don't know where you live. What? She jumped. She jumped. They lied to me. Alright, guys. That's it. Please subscribe to join my lit squad. Also, like this video and comment. Yeah. Bye.